Hi Surya, congratulations on the win and on the trophy as well, Man of the Series award.
Thanks.
So 6 changes were made from the second ODI. I can understand like trying out 5 new players, but my question is, what was the rationale behind not dropping Manish Pandey? Did he at any point get any sort of hint that I absolutely need to make the most of this game because you never know what lies ahead?
I think that was completely team management's call. I mean, I didn't get involved in that decision, but yeah, he's been batting really well. As we saw in the practice games, warm-up games, we played intra-sport games also. And last game, you all must have seen, it was an unfortunate dismissal, and he was batting really well at that time. So maybe that must have been the scene. But yeah, this isn't my call, so I really don't know about it.
Surya, from this one day series, like building up on confidence. Now, when you make a debut, you have been waiting for, and then you make most of it. Do you now feel at ease that you belong here? Like 6-7 matches you have played now for India across the 2 formats. Now you feel that yes, I belong here. I am there for that World T20 thing. Like, how do you feel?
Obviously, sir, everyone dreams of playing for India, and it has been a lot of effort, a lot of grind, a lot of patience behind this, and it has been worth the wait. And I'm really happy about it. From here on, how I built it, it's all in my hands, and I'm really excited for the journey ahead.
नॉक्स खेले लेकिन मतलब एक बड़ा नॉक मतलब आ सकता था आपका, वो रह गया। तो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक थोड़ा सा वो है रिग्रेट कि एक और मतलब टिक के विकेट पे थोड़ा सा, जैसे आज भी आप बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग कर रहे थे, लास्ट वनडे में बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग कर रहे थे, तो वो थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है कि बड़ा नॉक हो जाता तो और अच्छा होता।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जीजी भाई, उसी बात का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट गेम जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया उससे मुझे अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला, और सेकंड गेम परफेक्ट सिचुएशन था वहाँ पे टू विन अ गेम फॉर द टीम। बट या दैट टाइम ऑल्सो इट वाज नॉट द वे आई प्ले एंड आई गॉट आउट, रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दैट। बट एंड इन द थर्ड गेम ऑल्सो अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था, आज भी विकेट्स वर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम वन एंड to hold one end and try and play till the end, but couldn't do it. I think that's two things I'm really keeping in mind. How do I build from here? But yeah, that's how you learn and move forward.
Hi Surya, congrats on the Man of the Series and the batting. I just wanted to ask you, your shot making skills have always been there even in domestic cricket, but you've gone up a level in international cricket and you're still hitting it, 360 degrees almost. Could you just tell us a little bit more about how you practice some of those shots, like, or is it just instinctive, like the ramp, or when you're back and you flick like that through mid wicket or something? Do you practice that, or is it just more instinctive? And if you practice, what do you do?
Sir, I've always been batting the same way as I'm batting right now. But yeah, after I came to Mumbai Indians 2018, things started changing a bit. I got to know what's my responsibility is, how do I go about my game, how can I take it one step ahead. So that's when I started practicing even more. Talk to all the players who knew me really well from last 5-6 years. And I'm really happy with the way things are going. And talking about the strokes, I think I've been a Mumbai boy. So whenever you grow up in Mumbai, the types of wicket you get over there in club games and in domestic cricket, they are very challenging. So there you automatically have to think what strokes you have to play on those kind of wickets. And the same thing I have been carrying to international stage as well, and I'll be doing the same thing, just trying to keep things simple, following my routines, what process I do before the game, during the matches, what I think during that time. Just want to keep it simple.
Congratulations, Surya, on your Man of the Series performance.
Thank you, sir.
A word on Prithvi Shaw, because he is someone who has made the most of him, because ever since he got dropped in that Adelaide Test match, he has bounced back. Or what do you make out of his performance in this series so far? He has been consistently scored run, looked a man in form, has been in brilliant touch. What do you make out of Prithvi Shaw?
Sir, I only have one word for him. Whenever I see him bat or whenever I meet him, I only call him a showstopper. So showstopper is a man, I mean, whom you love seeing, and who's the main, I mean, who loves everyone to have an eye on him. So whenever he bats, he's that way. and I would love to see him remain the same. He's batting brilliantly. His attitude while batting is brilliant. He's worked very hard on his fitness, and it's really good to see him doing so well. And I'm really excited about it, and we're really looking forward to see him in the T20 series.
Yeah, Surya, congratulations for the man of the series.
Thank you,
But
Nikhil
my
bhai.
question is on my question is on Rahul Chah's performance. You have been playing with him in Mumbai Indians. How would you describe his performance today? I mean, he kind of nearly pulled it back for you guys today.
Yeah, I think he's been doing it now and then for us in Mumbai Indians also. He's got a lot of confidence from there. I still remember first game of this season which we played in Chennai. It didn't go his way, but the way he bounced back, the way he was supported from our team management, I think that was really nice to see. And when he came back with a man of the match performance. So that's how it is, where for the franchisee when he plays and he gets so much support. And same thing, same culture was here as well. He's playing his first ODI. It was a lot of support from full team management, all the players on the field, and it was really happy. I was really happy to see him bowl so well. There was a little bit of dew as well. Wicket was not that helpful for the bowlers, but yeah, he extracted a spin really well from the wicket, and I'm really happy for him.
Hi Surya.
Hi.
So the question is that this is your first series and you look very certain with your running. The moment you walk out to bat, you've played against high quality attacks and in front of big droughts and everything, but is the pressure of playing international cricket any different from what you noticed in your first experience?
I think, sir, the game remains the same. There's no change in the game. You play against any team, any level. You just have to go out and do the same things. I keep things really simple. What I do in the nets, what I do in domestic cricket, what I do in the nets. Same thing I try and reflect when I go in the game. Be it IPL, be it an international game. I just like to be myself. What has given me name? It's my process, my routines, and how I have been myself. So I just like to keep things really simple and just go out there and enjoy. You must have seen I just like to run when I get an opportunity to bat. So I'm really excited and really enjoy that moment.